Now, let's dig in. Install Python on your PC or Mac. Then set up your environment so you can start learning and, more importantly, practicing. Python Interactive Shell. Now that you have downloaded and installed Python, let's do a quick sanity check to ensure everything is correctly set up, ready to watch the next video, and practice for hours. Open the Python's built-in Integrated Development and Learning Environment (IDLE), also known as the Interactive Python Shell. It is one of the mediums of communication between the Python interpreter and you. To do so, just open your terminal and type Python, if you only have one version of Python installed. If multiple versions of Python already exist, you may have to manually run Python 3. The interactive Python shell should open, and your command prompt, or terminal window, should look similar to this. You may not get the first couple of lines exactly as shown above, since everyone has different computers, versions, and even builds. As you have probably guessed, the interpreter tells us the Python version, date of build, the compiler used to build it, the computer's architecture, and the operating system. This information is important for debugging. And it is very useful for checking Python's version. The most important thing that you will need to remember are those three greater than signs. They symbolize a prompt that asks you for some input. Since this prompt is shown in a few examples, you will need to remember that it is not some special keyword or thing you would need to type on a daily basis. While you are still in the interactive Python shell, you might as well run your first line of code. Print, "Learning Python with Digital Academy is fun." Once you typed enter, your code is being executed and interpreted, then you should see, "Learning Python with Digital Academy is fun." As you can see, a new line without the prompt is output. Another important thing to know is that the prompt changes to 3 periods if you enter a command with indentations, since the Python interpreter is expecting more input. Overall, you will need to be careful not to mistake the prompt for actual Python code. And that's it. Congratulations! You have just written your first Python program. Each time you entered a line, Python immediately executed the statement, displaying the value between the quotes. Once you are done, you can type exit or quit to leave the interactive Python shell. You can even use the keyboard shortcuts keys, Ctrl+D, then press enter. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.